I'm Craig. Welcome to the Battery Shop. Today we're working on this 2019 Buick Regal. The battery's located right here in the trunk. It's always a good idea to check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. The first step is to remove the access panel for the battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for this. Then remove the negative battery cable from the battery's negative terminal and set it off to the side. Then, remove the protective cap for the positive battery cable. And loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable using a 10mm wrench. And remove the cable and assembly and set it off to the side. Now we can remove the fastener for the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need that 10mm wrench again. And then remove the fastener. And bracket. The next step is to remove the vent tube from the side of the battery. Now we can remove the old battery. And then install the replacement battery. Install a vent plug in the side of the battery opposite the vent tube. The vent plug should come with your battery. Most of the time it's connected to the positive post protector cap. Then we can reinstall the vent tube into the side of the battery. The next step is to reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. And tighten its fastener. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the battery's positive terminal. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your terminal and cable connection before doing so. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. Then tighten the fastener. And replace the protective cap. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the battery's negative terminal, again cleaning up any corrosion on your terminal and cable connection. And then tighten its fastener. Finally, reinstall the battery access panel. And we're done.